guys, it's Laura from Lightning Cosplay, and if you're following me on Instagram, you may have seen my Harry Potter party preparations. And also how I failed with the party because I got super sick and we had to cancel it, and yeah, it was so sad, but finally then we find a new date for the party and it was awesome! As a cosplayer and crafting lover, I wanted to make some cool decorations, so I made these awesome house banners. And this is how I made them.
These are flex foils which can be ironed on fabric. First, I printed out the iconic animals for the 4 houses and cut them out. When you place them onto the flex foil, keep in mind that you have to mirror your design. I just fixed the template with tape and traced it on with a silver marker. Then I removed the template and used an X-acto knife to cut it out. The flex foil has 2 layers, the foil you're gonna iron on and a transparent transfer foil. So make sure you only cut through the flex foil, not through the transfer foil. If you don't like to cut it by hand and want to make more detailed templates, I recommend purchasing a vinyl cutter. Now it's time for the fabric part. I just drew on a simple pattern for a banner and cut it out. I cleaned the edges and also sewed some strips of the same fabric for the loops, which I added to the banner to hang them on the wall. Done with the sewing. Now comes the fun part. Place the flex foil animals on the fabric and make sure that they all have the same position. Otherwise, it will not look good when you hang all banners next to each other. Baking paper to protect your iron and start to iron on the motif with some pressure. Carefully remove the transfer foil. Beautiful! Repeat this step with the other animals. So shiny! Add a wooden stuff and you can hang your banners to your wall.
They look so cool and were quite easy to make. So, if you are a Potterhead like me, these are the perfect party decorations for you. My banners are still hanging in my living room and I think I would just leave them there. They look so cool. And as always, if you want to support us and our work, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and then see you next time. Bye bye!